Hi there, welcome to Kneppy Invest. My favorite type of announcement by far is a profit upgrade. And even though the company I'll be featuring in today's video, Biome, did not release a profit upgrade, they, however, did release a revenue upgrade. Now, Biome develops, commercializes, and markets innovative evidence based live biotherapeutics and complementary medicines with clinically proven health benefits. You could probably tell that I'm a little bit skeptical about some of the claims this company makes. Now, that's just my skepticism with these type of companies. I do think many of these companies, I'm not saying Biome is doing it, but many of these type of companies will claim health benefits for products they're selling when there is no health benefits at all. But again, I'm not claiming Biome is doing that. I'm just skeptical about these type of companies. Now, just because I'm skeptical doesn't mean this company can't do well, because humans tend to be quite foolish in regards to these sort of things. Anyway, let's have a look at this company's revenue guidance update for financial year 24. They have upgraded their revenue from the previous guidance, which was 11.5 million up to 12.5 million. So a nice, roughly 9% increase in their revenue for financial year 24. But 12.5 million is rather low. And yes, this company is fairly small. Markup is 51.94 million at a share price of 24.5 cents. And even though the share price is, or the markup is 51.94 million, this is still within the top 50% biggest companies on the ASX. Comes in at 1,161st out of 2,398. That's interesting in itself. So there are positive things going or moving forward for Biome. We'll have a look at the chart in a second. So revenue is increasing. In fact, they've also included a chart of their financial year revenue over the past 5 years. And revenue for Biome has increased from below $1 million in financial year 20 up to $12.5 million in financial year 24, which is a forecast revenue number. So really nice increase in revenue from year to year. That's exactly what I want to see in a company that I'm going to invest in for the medium to long term. I want to see revenue growing. The next thing I want to see is whether the company is profitable or operating cash flow. And let's have a look at that right now. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go quickly and have a look at there. We'll open up the most recent Appendix 4C. So Biome should release the next Appendix 4C within the next 3 weeks before the end of January. Also open up their, we won't have a look at their annual report, just open up their preliminary final report. I doubt this company is profitable just yet, but they might be heading towards that point. And if they do achieve profitability and operating cash flow and free cash flow positiveness, that could be the inflection point for this company. Well, it should be, it will be. That's probably the best way to say it. It will be the inflection point for this company. So let's have a look at their most recent quarterly report. Where it says the customer is $2.1 million and the company was operating cash flow negative. So that's all I'm going to look at for now in regards to the most recent quarterly. So still burning through cash. And if we take a look at the most recent annual report, $7.2 million of revenue and loss making by $3.1 million. So the company is not yet profitable, not yet generating cash in their business, but the market is getting excited about this company. Probably most likely because the company is growing their revenue. And I believe, if I remember correctly, they did hint that there might be EBITDA positive or something like that in a quarter in financial year 24 or calendar year 24, something like that. Now, I'm trying to dig into my memory, but I'm pretty sure this company's management did mention that. Now, let's have a look at the chart for Biome. And yeah, the market has really changed its sentiment in this company over the past year. So this daily chart goes back to April 2022. And really from April 2022, and probably before that, because this company listed on the ASX back in late 2021, and from when it listed all the way through to the middle of 2023, there was the market did not like this company at all. That's probably not the best way to say it. The market was blasé. The market was ambivalent about this company. And typically when the market is ambivalent about a company, share prices are going to drift lower and lower on pretty low volume. That's exactly what happened with Biome up until the middle of 2022. Then we started to see some volume coming in at the start of 2023, these one-day spikes in volume. And a lot of times you will see volume lead share price. So when you start to see volume increasing and share price does nothing, there is potential the share price will start going higher late at a later time. And that actually is what happened with Biome from the middle part of 2023. We started to see the share price go higher. We also started to see volume increasing in August. And that was around the time the share price broke out. Share price broke out and around about 9 cents. And the share price has really taken off about a month ago. So start of December, we started to see higher volume coming in and the share price took off. In fact, the share price went from about 11 cents to a current share price of 24.5 cents. And in fact, from the lows we saw in the middle of 2023, the share price of this company has quadrupled. So the market is liking something with Biome, and more than likely it has to do with increasing revenue and the possibility the company will be hitting that inflection point soon-ish. Now, I am not quite interested in this company right now, just because the market has discovered this company recently. Share price has taken off. Market cap is now above $50 million. If I was back in, say, June or July, and I thought I was a little bit bullish about this company, and the market cap was like $10 million, I might have been more interested in Biome. I'm pretty sure I did one or two videos on this company. But the thing I am looking for, to be honest with you, is a company that is profitable or very close to becoming profitable, and it's operating cash flow and free cash flow positive. So that's the thing I want to see with Biome. And there is potential the market is getting a little bit ahead of itself. And if the company doesn't achieve operating cash flow and free cash flow positiveness in the December quarter, you might see the share price pull back. So that's all I got for Biome and this quick look, this quick update from the company. If you have any questions, just leave those questions in the comment section of this video. Otherwise, I'm not a financial advisor. If you do need financial advice, make sure you seek out someone who's qualified and can speak to your own financial needs. That's it for this video. Have a good day. Bye.